I'm Dr. Wei Dongyu, a doctor of traditional Chinese medicine, practice at Wellspring Clinic in Vancouver, Canada. In the past 17 years, I have treated more than 600 cases of RP patients. My first patient came for weight loss. In the first interview, she told me she has RP. Then I suggested to her we help her vision before the weight loss. After the 1.5 months, her night vision, her field has improved. And then we continued. She started to refer, her family came to see me. Ever since then, and more patients come to me from Vancouver, from the United States, Europe, gradually come from all over the world, like Australia, Africa, from even Malaysia, Indonesia, India, all over the Middle East.
My name's Stuart. I'm from Perth in Western Australia.
My name is Phyllis Woodall, and I come from the United States. I come from Georgia.
My name is Majid Hussain. I'm from Manchester in the UK.
Hi, I'm Richard Chewett. I'm a Canadian. I live currently in Mexico, but I'm from Ontario.
What is RP? RP is called retinitis pigmentosa, a genetic eye condition. It shows night blindness, tunnel vision, reduced central vision, color vision, dark adaptations. Eventually, it leads to blindness in patients. There is no treatment in modern medicine.
Before I came to see Dr. Yu about a year ago, I was almost blind. I would say I had about 5% vision.
When I started with Dr. Yu, my vision was approximately like this.
I have to be very careful even walking in my own house. Like if someone leaves the vacuum cleaner out, I might fall right over the vacuum cleaner.
What traditional Chinese medicine can do for RP patients? My first objective is to stop the continued degradation of the vision loss for patients. First, most patients came for treatment can see the initial response of progress within days. And most people can see a significant vision improvement in their visual field, central vision, color vision, within 2 weeks. Some, even in a few hours, can see a difference for some young patients, for some early stage of RP patients, with acupuncture and herbs. Sometimes just acupuncture, sometimes just herbs can achieve this initial response.
Well, my peripheral vision opened up and was better. I've been here, this is my 3rd time.
After I started treatment, I've really never lost any more. I've been stable after several years of treatment.
My condition is such now that I have seen some improvement. If I was at 5 or 10% vision before, it's probably improved by 10 or 15%.
Second is to achieve normal vision, normal visual field. Most patients can get that and within 12 months of period. Some even get that in 6 months. Because this vision improvement, their lifestyle has changed. They can regain an independent life.
I'm quite pleased. I've got to a stage where there is some independence, and if I keep progressing like I have done over the last year, I'm confident I may even be driving in a few years' time.
The third is after the patient get normal vision and the field, how to maintain it. Depends on the patient's constitution and the lifestyle, and they need certain degrees of maintenance treatment. If a patient is a computer engineer, they need to look at the computer all day long, high stress work, they probably need a regular maintenance every 6 months, something like that. if people are housewives, they don't need to look at the computer all day. Then they probably need to come once a year or once every 2 years. And some patient has 3-year, 5-year, even 10 years history with our clinic, maintain a normal life due to that.
After I started treatment, I've really never lost any more. I've been stable after several years of treatment, and now seeing that treatment has changed, it seems like I'm still gaining more clarity out here. So it's continued success.
Most change in patient is the moral, is their psychology. So they can give up the worries, anxieties, even the fear of vision loss. They can start to live with hope and with bright vision.
You know, Dr. Yu is a very personable person. He is very patient-friendly. He makes you feel very comfortable with the condition that you have.
The main difference between Dr. Yu and the Western medicine doctors out there is he gives hope.